Welcome back to another episode of the Crypto Serpent, and if you do enjoy the videos, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Well, a new day begins. Now, who will win Elon Musk's business? Just what does that mean? Let's go over that. Let's kick off in a big way. Now, Elon Musk has come out and he has stated the green race. In his bombshell announcement, Tesla CEO Elon Musk said that his company was looking into other cryptocurrency alternatives that consume less than 1% of Bitcoin's electricity. Now, there are many in contention. And right now, everything is just rumors. Nobody knows which one it will be. There are talks of XRP. There are talks of Elrond. There are talks of Phantom. Stellar is in it. I don't think Cardano's anywhere near it. IOTA and Nano, could they be in it? Dogecoin, the meme coin that is currently being considered by Tesla for payments, is also more energy efficient than Bitcoin. I don't think that's going to happen either. So, how big would this be? And let's just say that from a hype point of view, from a, let's say, 10 to 14 day hype, it would be big, right? I mean, the next cryptocurrency coin to be accepted by Tesla. But the challenge that we have at the moment in where we are in 2021 in the cryptocurrency space is that this type of news shouldn't even be news. Because we've seen Elon become pro-crypto, against crypto, pro-crypto, against crypto. He's making millions and millions of dollars off people's stupidity. It's probably the only word to put it. By, placing money into meme coins and pumping them and dumping on people. He's making a lot of money. He even joked about it in one of his tweets. So it goes to show where the industry is at in 2021. It really does. I don't believe XRP will be involved in any shape or form with Tesla. I kind of think they're going to go anywhere near that. Which one of the others it will be? Let's see. Time will tell. Now, Ripple expects SEC lawsuit over to conclude next year. Now, the CEO has come out saying we're seeing pretty good progress. He's saying that despite a slow-moving judicial process, that he feels very, very confident. As clearly we're seeing good questions asked by the judge. And I think the judge realized that this is not just about Ripple, and this will have broader implications. And I think, of course, he's spot on about that. It's not Ripple versus the SEC, although it is. It's much, much more. Now, of course, a CEO of a company comes out and provides a positive outlook on what is going on. His words are measured, and they have to be measured. Positive nevertheless, but both parties will keep everything very close to them. He's not going to go say, we're 2 days away from settling. He can't do that. But I think that the end is coming, and the end could be here a lot quicker. And one thing that's for sure, it will happen when nobody expects it. Now, Dogecoin is not good for the crypto market, says Ripple CEO. Now, I agree. I think the whole world agrees. And ultimately, again, it just goes to show where we are in the world right now. To have meme coins anywhere near top 20 is a joke. But that's where the world is at the moment. When we talk about the dot-com bubble in the 90s, this is where we are. People are putting in money left, right, and center, investing into all different things, hoping to have hit a jackpot. That's what's happening with meme coins, right? People put money in hope for a jackpot. Look at the metaverse projects, the metaverse NFT game projects. Right? None of them are gonna last. None of them. They're all crap. Maybe 2 or 3 are actually good, but that doesn't mean that you can't make money off of hype. You can. You just need to recognize that that's all it is. And that's what the problem is with bubbles. Eventually they pop because you start to buy into the companies and what they're saying. And before you know it, boom, it pops. Be mindful of what you're in and just how real and solid is it. Now, Ripple's seeing good progress. Of course, this has traveled everywhere. In every news article, wherever you go, this is being mentioned. And it is important. It's very, very important what Brad has said. But let's take it with a pinch of salt. Because the CEO of a company, of course, has to speak positively about what is going on. But like I said, I think the settlement, so I think it will be a settlement. I don't think we're going to get a straight win. The settlement will happen when we least expect it. Now, the XRP price analysis, consolidation above $1, we will talk about that. We'll talk about the, where we're going and how that looks. In other news, the Republic of Pal partners with Ripple to develop digital currency strategy. So yet another nation, another republic that is looking at how do they explore digital currency is as a nation, as a republic. So this will be really cool to see how it develops and how they use a decentralized aspect of XRP and XRPL to make progress as a nation. So that'll be really cool. And the critical evidence that we spoke about yesterday, and that 60% of XRP holders were unaware of Ripple at all, that will play a big role. And I think December 6th it hasn't even been mentioned by Brad, and rightly so, but I think December 6th will be a very, 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 very important date. Very important. Just wait and see. Now, a new creator fund is out. A $250 million fund for creators, agencies, and marketplace. See, I really like this because they've extended this to agencies as well. So creators and brands, all creators from musicians and artists to performers to athletes and global brand representatives who want to create innovative experiences can apply. Agencies, creative and talent management agencies can apply. And marketplace, innovators are digital marketplaces that are looking to integrate with the XRP ledger, bring top talent to their platform and deliver a seamless NFT experience for developers. So check it out because this is going to be really, 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 really cool. So just once again, innovative, bringing a lot of money into the NFT space. And I think the NFT space will be a space that XRP will comfortably make a mark on it, right? Put some serious dent in the competitors. Now, the XRP ledger activates the negative UNL amendment on its network. So we'll keep a close eye on that and what are the changes that come from it. So we'll keep going and keep researching as we do. And more importantly as well, when we start to look at the prices and the charts, we'll look at the breakouts and we'll look at the key points that we have to do. Now, let's go and jump into a time. Let's have a look at some indicators first. Now, when we start to look at the prices at the moment, we're particularly focusing on, from a chart perspective, on the daily, and we can see the kind of moves that we're making, right? So we've hit that 103, we've hit it 1, 2, 3, and so from here, from the third touch, we could see two scenarios. We touch 103.8 again, and we're off. 3 touches generally is the way to go. Or from here, we're going to dip to the dollar flat, and then we go. The next scenario is that we do drop into those 95 cents, maybe even high 80s before we go. Now, looking at it and the 3 touches that it's made so far, at the moment, all indicators, when we look at the hourly, You can see that it's bearish. When you look at the 4 hour, the 4 hour has turned bullish, but it's pretty flat at the moment. It's not really too much of an indicator. The 12 is flat, and the daily, it's flat on the MACD. It's in the bearish. Now, this is a critical moment. It'll be interesting by the time this goes live, where exactly are we at. My thoughts at the moment is really 50-50. Like I said, we've had 3 touches now on the dollar, $3.8. And I think that this could be the moment that it makes its comeback and finally begins to shoot off, and it will go quite aggressively. The other scenario though is just as relevant and just as important to acknowledge. The fact that we could go down and continue to go down and just finish November off in the red before we kick off in December. Now, if we go on to the Bitcoin chart, and right now we see on the daily perspective the kind of moves that it's making, for me, it looks like we won't get anywhere near the moving average 100, and we will continue to go up. So my thoughts at the moment are more bullish than bearish. I think we've touched 3 times the $3.8, and then I think now we're going to continue to go up, and we're going to start to move in a positive manner. That to me makes sense, but I also am very much not going to make any moves at the moment because it could go either way right now. For me, $1.15 consolidated above $1.15 is a great strategy. Again, it's not financial advice, not a financial advisor. I'm just calling you the way that I'm looking at the market right now. Let's have a look at some drawings. Right now, we are in the potential reversal zone. This is the potential reversal zone, and then we will break up into $1.10, consolidate once again into $1.06, then move up to $1.15, touch down a little bit more, and then continue up to 120. So we're in a potential reversal zone right now, and we've got to keep an eye out. But the resistance levels and the first layer of resistance is at $1.11, but really $1.15 is really, really where we want to be. But buy after the breakout. Buy after $1.15 to be sure, to be safe. You're never safe, but safer than right now. Right now, it could go either way. Right now, if you wait a little bit longer, it might get even better. But where do we go from here, and how does that look? Something along these lines, as we head towards $1.75 and continue to push towards $2.20 and break about. But once again, I just want to be very crystal clear that the path and the future, and when you zoom out, nothing has changed. Nothing. This is speed bumps along what will be a very, very, very beautiful drive. Now, if you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. As always, thank you, and look forward to see you on the next one.